I am a queen's daughter. I come from Cappoquin in search of Lord Gregory. Pray God I find him. The wind blows in my yellow hair. The dew wets my skin. My wee babe's cold in my arms. Lord Gregory, let me in. Lord Gregory is not here. He cannot be seen, for he's gone to bonny Scotland in search of a fair queen. So go from these portals, and likewise this hall, for deep is the ocean. You must hide your downfall. Oh, don't you remember, love, that night at Cappoquin? We exchanged rings, my love, then I against my will. Yours was of silver, and mine was but tin. Yours cost a guinea, and mine but a pin. My curse on you, mother, my curse be it so, for I dreamed that my true love came a-knocking at my door. Lie down now, my foolish son, lie down now and sleep, for 'tis only a serving maid lies a-drowning in the deep. Go saddle my black horse, the brown or the bay. Go saddle my fastest horse in the stable this day. I'll ride over mountain and valley so wide. I'll ride to my true love, and I lie by her side.